Hello everybody, and welcome back to Satisfactory. I'm Ethereal Veil, and well, where was I? I believe I was building a train. That's what I was doing, absolutely. So, just relax with me for a sec, because, well, all it is a factory. So, another day at work. And another lovely one at that. You know, I always do love the cherry blossoms. I don't think I can call them cherry blossoms, but, I don't know. Something about the color pink is just so calming. I heard about this before, but I heard that pink isn't necessarily an actual color. A little disappointing, but that's what I hear. Although, I guess it's not that disappointing, because at least we can see it. And even if it's an illusion, it's our illusion. Something nice to have. Just like how technically being happy is not necessary. It's not really it's not really so much tangible. There we go, that's the word. Well, yeah. It's not like you can grab happiness. But still, nonetheless, you want it. You want to hold on to it for as long as possible. Possible, yeah. You never want to let go. What is making this not? This must be placed with another train platform. A railway train platform. I need 8 computers. Okay, I think I have some cooking back at the main base. Originally, I wanted to do my whole race car kind of track going all the way down and up, but I made that far too steep. I might expand on that and at another time when I'm able to get all these complicated components to automate. And when I can do that, well, then things get easy. What was that? Is that a giraffe? Oh, it is. Look. Yeah, silly giraffes. I actually haven't seen my pet giraffe in a while. I should check on him. Like, sure, you could have a dog in this game, like those lizard doggos, but I feel like what you really need is a giant, big, lovable giraffe that's very wound around like a whale. Man. Automation. There's the motherboard. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's in the world. Woo. And boop. So what do we have? Up here we go, computers. What am I producing? High-speed circuitry. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Am I good on plastics though? Because I remember I ran out of them very fast. Yeah, I do not have any more plastics. Oh dear. Okay. So I need to do a delivery of plastics, which actually should be more convenient because the train station leaves the plastic location, and that's why I'm building the train station, to deliver all the plastics. That's the main thing. It takes so much plastic to do anything, and I need to connect it to all the oil. That's just how it is. Now, I don't really see too many videos on, well, how to do everything really, but make do beyond. Just ignore that. It, it works. I don't know why it wants to be a snake, but it's a sneaky little snake. So it's good. And it's fine. Doesn't bother me at all. Okay, it bothers me a little bit, but what can you do? Other than fix it. I kind of tried to do that, but for some reason, I think I would need to have a train station separate, be perpendicular in order to get it to be a straight line. Why don't I just do that? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I could just hop over. Man, good thing I don't have any, like, what is it? Fear of heights. There we go. That would suck. So... I know it's a game, and I know it's not the most impressive nature graphics I've ever seen, but it still looks pretty. It's kind of like a cartoon with a different art style. Music helps. Just a bit. Oh, and the waterfall. That's good too. You know, as pompous or really occasionally obnoxious sounding as it is, those video games that talk about philosophy and stuff like that, I don't necessarily disagree with them. I just think that we always hear people like that, and we always rush into, what is it? Skepticism. Sometimes I use words that I haven't used in a while, and it's hard to really remember how they form. It's at the tip of your tongue, but you just really can't remember how it works. Sometimes I wonder if it's the same for everyone else. You just don't know that, you just haven't used that word in a while. Okay, so we need this to go boom. So is it going boom? It is going boom, so yes, it goes boom. Great. Okay, now that technically, let's see if that fixed it. And that just means I have to deconstruct the other one I made. Oop. Let's get you and continue on. Man. It's so darn pretty. I worry a lot. Apologies. I was just, I don't know. Sometimes I like silence. Sometimes. Then again, I feel like I have to avoid it at all costs. I understand it's best to be natural. Best to just be good company. But constantly. I don't know why. But the pressure to feel the air, to make something, to say something. Maybe it's that. Or maybe it's just all the scenery, or I feel like it's also the music that's getting to me. It's all these... What is this music? A synthesizer? On the piano? It's probably that. Still, makes it very, very pretty. Let's see. Oh, that was fast. Okay. Yeah, that's when you began to curve. Okay. Let's get you all sorted out. There we go. And then it will actually work. That is actually fantastic. To think, it took me building an entire train station first. Oh, I see what made all the wonkiness. You see that little nudge that me folding this inward made? Wait, hold on. It wasn't me. Now I'm curious. If I link you to that, will you go wonky? Who went wonky first? You went wonky. You're going wonky as well. Okay. What if I connect you to you? Oh, it naturally wants to do that. Okay, that's fine though. Yeah, it took me doing that just to make sure it's straight. Oh well, at least when I actually get this thing running, it's not gonna go snake. Now then. I'll try filling in these pockets maybe? I wonder if I should do that, or I could leave this to constantly be like these giant towers or pillars and have a great view of nature, in a way. Maybe. What am I doing with all those high-speed computers again? I need them for something. Was it the artificial intelligence thingies to make things organized? Maybe. They would be very, very beneficial. Train station. Wait, these things have a name? Dordrecht Central. Why are so many games have these interesting ways of spelling? It's probably just how things are. Let's see about this. I need a freight platform. Do I need water though? I feel like it's better to produce like directly, so I'm not gonna delve into there. Let's get the railway platform and end it right here. And then we're going to have you go here. And potentially you go here. Is that good enough? Is it too curvy? I could... Well, is it not curvy enough? Nope, that's too far. Maybe this should take up 2 spaces. And you go... Yes, perfect. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Look at my beautiful train. Now, how do I get this working? So that's output. Okay, configure. No power. Timeline. What the? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. So I need power to connect to you. Okay, let's make this look pretty. What do you connect to directly, Mr. Power? Boop, boop. That's not pretty. Oh, you connect over there. Oh, yeah, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Let's see. Now the power source, the actual power plant, I don't want to put it actually over there. Huh. Let's do something sketchy. And put it directly to the power supply. Okay. Am I able to do that? Yeah, I can. Directly connected to power. Perfect. Okay, out of fuel. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna guess that I can get up here if I do this. Nope, not gonna make it. I made this too high. Oh. What thing I can do is hop here. Hop up here. Maybe? Yes. Yes. Haha, I did it. Perfect. Now then. Let's see about this train and how it's doing. I think it's the contrast what I love about this. Just technology compared to nature. How it devours it and is made of it. Of course, it's just the earth melted into a form that we desire. Computers made of minerals that, well, have always been here. No different than, well, I would make it similar to how a snail has a shell. Or perhaps a crab. Or any creature that really has a shell. Except for turtles. I don't know why we call turtles having a shell. That is definitely a body. Wait, no. Crabs have shells. When does... Wait, no. Most shells are always part of a body's to begin with, so maybe I'm... Okay. I feel like that's the major difference I should look into. Let's see about connecting you to you. Boop. Oh, can I upgrade you from here? No, I can't. Sadly. Okay. Let's see about this train and how it's actually going to, well, work. Oh. How fast are you? Oh. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. That is so cool. That is so cool. Look at that. Let's reverse it. That is so good. I feel like I should put the freight platform elsewhere. I don't know. So if the train stops here, that means I need to put the freight over here. Okay. But that is very, very good. I'll be able to transfer all those plastics so fast now. I don't have to take I don't have to take so much time getting back and forth. I can use the train. And eventually just have the train constantly transport everything automated. Can't wait. That is very, very good. Progress! I love it. Trains. No wonder so many people like them. I mean, except for, well, America's not known for its infrastructure with trains, so I suppose that's one thing that I guess they could fix. In any case, I guess I'll leave it here. Thank you for joining me today, everyone. I've been Ethereal Veil, and until tomorrow, this is goodbye. Goodbye.